Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Judo Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Judo Bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address judo.bank and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Judo Bank. Now in order to log into your account, you can see guys there is a digital banking option available for us just beside the contact. Click on digital banking, and on this interface guys you'll be required to enter the email address of your account which you have signed up for on Judo Bank while creating your account. And of that, enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it or reset it from over here where it says I forgot my password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset it. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Judo Bank account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how to log into Judo Bank account online on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.